Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. In this video, we will learn divisibility rules which are very important for class 8 students, as you can find these rules in your chapter playing with numbers. So in this video, we will cover this topic properly, and after watching this, you will find it very easy to solve questions with divisibility rules. Now firstly, let us test divisibility by 2. In this, we will learn how to check whether a number is divisible by 2 or not. Here we have rule to check. A number is divisible by 2 if its unit digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Now let's understand the divisibility by 2 with the help of an example. As we read, a number is divisible by 2 if its unit digit is either 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. So look at first example. Here we have unit digit as 2. So this number is divisible by 2. In next example, again we have unit digit 8. And 8 is here in these numbers. So this number is also divisible by 2. Next we have unit digit as 0, and if a number has unit digit as 0, then that is divisible by 2. So all these three numbers are divisible by 2. Sometimes क्या होगा कि आप लोग इतना बड़ा नंबर उसको 2 से डिवाइड प्रॉपर करके चेक नहीं कर पाओगे, तो क्या है कि आप उसको ओनली यूनिट डिजिट देख के उसको आइडेंटिफाई इजीली कर सकते हो. Now let's study divisibility by 3 and 9. Here we have rules. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of all its digits is divisible by 3, or a number is divisible by 9 if the sum of all its digits is divisible by 9. Now let's test divisibility by 3 and 9. To check divisibility by 3, we will find sum of all its digits. As we read, the number is divisible by 3 if the sum of all its digits divisible by 3. Here the given number is 249. So we will add all these three digits. 2 plus 4 plus 9. 2 plus 4 6. 6 plus 9 is 15. And we know 15 is a multiple of 3, or we can say 15 is divisible by 3. So the whole number, this 249, is divisible by 3. And the rule for 9 is similar to 3. 3 और 9 का जो रूल होगा डिविजिबिलिटी रूल, दैट आर सेम टाइप. As if the sum of all digits divisible by 9, then the number is divisible by 9. So here we will have one number 729. So we're gonna add all these three digits. 7 plus 2 plus 9. 7 plus 2 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. As we know, 18 is multiple of 9, or you can say 18 is divisible by 9. So the number 729 is divisible by 9. तो इन रूल्स को लर्न करने का एक बहुत ही इजी वे है. वो क्या है, आप इनको एसोसिएट कर लोगे. जैसे जो 2 का रूल है वो हमने देख लिया. 3 का 9 से एसोसिएट हो गया, 4 का 8 से हो जाएगा, 5 का 10 से हो जाएगा. दीज रूल्स आर टू सिमिलर. यू जस्ट हैव टू मेक अ कोऑर्डिनेशन कि आप इसको किस तरह से लर्न कर सकते हो. Now let's have a look on divisibility rules by 4 and 8. Firstly, we'll study its rule. So here we have a number is divisible by 4 if its last two digits divisible by 4, or a number is divisible by 8 if its last three digits divisible by 8. In 4 last 2 digits, in 8 last 3 digits. Now let's check divisibility by 4 and 8. And the rule is, any number is divisible by 4 if its last two digits are divisible by 4. Here the given number is 216. Its last two digits are 1 and 6. As we know, 16 is divisible by 4. So the whole number is divisible by 4. And the rule for 8 is similar. Here the given number is 4216. And the rule is, any number is divisible by 8 if its last three digits divisible by 8. Here last three digits are 216. You can check it by divided by 8. Here when we divide 216 by 8, we get 27. As last three digits divisible by 8, then the full number, which means 4216 is divisible by 8. These both rules are same. In 4 we have to check for last 2 digits, and for 8 we have to check for last 3 digits. Now let's study about divisibility rules of 5 and 10. So here we have rules. A number is divisible by 5 if its unit digit is either 0 or 5, or a number is divisible by 10 if its unit digit is 0. Now we'll check for divisibility for 5 and 10. For 5 we have a number is divisible by 5 if its unit digit is 0 or 5. In first example, the number is 5260, its unit digit is 0, so the number is divisible by 5. And in next we have 925, here we have unit digit as 5, so again the number is divisible by 5. And when we check divisibility by 10 according to rules, it must have unit digit as 0. So in given example, we have 3270, its unit digit is 0, so the number is divisible by 10. In both of these rules, we have to remember only one thing. In 5, its unit digit be 0 or 5, and in 10, its unit digit must be 0 only. Now let's study divisibility by 6 and 7 to understand. Let's have a look on its rules. So a number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3, and a number is divisible by 7 if the difference of twice of its unit digit from rest of the digits divisible by 7. Now we'll check divisibility by 6 and 7. Firstly, we'll check for 6. To check divisibility for 6, we will check divisibility for 2 and 3, because 6 is equals to 2 into 3, or we can say 6 is equals to 2 multiplied by 3. We all know 3 2s are 6. So to check divisibility by 6, firstly we will check the divisibility by 2, after that we will check for 6. अगर इन सम्स में क्या होगा, 2 के लिए हमारा सम रॉन्ग प्रूव हो जाता है, 2 के लिए ही हमारी डिविजिबिलिटी रॉन्ग हो जाती है, नो नीड टू चेक फॉर 3. हम 3 के लिए तभी चेक करेंगे जब वो 2 के लिए हो जाएगा करेक्ट. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट इज डिविजिबिलिटी बाय 7. हियर द गिवन नंबर इज 343. अकॉर्डिंग टू रूल दिस इज द डिफरेंस ऑफ नंबर फ्रॉम ट्वाइस ऑफ इट्स यूनिट डिजिट. तो देखो बच्चा, इसका यूनिट डिजिट क्या है, दैट इज 3. ट्वाइस मीन्स 2 टाइम्स. ठीक है, तो हमने 3 का 2 टाइम्स ले लिया, वो क्या हो जाएगा 3 2 ज़ा 6, 3 2 ज़ा 6. रिमेनिंग नंबर, बचा हुआ नंबर क्या है हमारे पास 34. सो वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट 6 फ्रॉम दिस 34. ओके, सो 34 minus 6 is 28, and this is divisible by 7, or 28 is multiple of 7. So the whole number 343 is divisible by 7. रिपीट, गोना रिपीट वंस अगेन. इसमें क्या होगा, जो भी आपको नंबर दिया होगा उसका आप यूनिट डिजिट पिक करोगे, उसको ट्वाइस कर लोगे, 2 टाइम मल्टीप्लाई. जो भी रिमेनिंग डिजिट होंगे, बचे हुए नंबर होगा, उस पर आप उसको माइनस कर दोगे. उसके बाद आप चेक करोगे कि जो रिजल्ट है वो 7 से डिवाइड हो रहा है या नहीं. अगर तो हमारा रिजल्ट 7 से डिवाइड होगा, तो जो भी हमारे पास गिवन क्वेश्चन में नंबर होगा वो होल नंबर किससे डिवाइड होगा, 7 से. नाउ लेट्स स्टडी डिविजिबिलिटी बाय 11. So here we have rules. If the difference of sum of digits at odd place and sum of digits at even place is either 0 or a multiple of 11, then the number is divisible by. Now we'll check divisibility by 11. In this rule, firstly we have to check even and odd places. So first task which we have to do, we have to recognize the even and odd places. Let's have this one as even odd place. Okay, so 1, तो क्या होगा, एक एक डिजिट आप छोड़ते जाओगे तो इवन ओड का कंसेप्ट यूज हो जाएगा. दिस वन इज ओड प्लेस, दिस वन इज इवन, नेक्स्ट ओड, नेक्स्ट इवन, अगेन वी हैव ओड. तो ओड नंबर के प्लेसेस पे जो डिजिट्स हैं उनको प्लस किया, 1 + 5 6, 6 + 3 इज 9. सो ओड प्लेसेस के डिजिट को प्लस करके what we have 9. नेक्स्ट इवन प्लेस 4 + 5, अगेन वी हैव 9. तो वो उसका रूल क्या था, वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट ओड एंड इवन, मतलब जो उनके प्लेस के डिजिट होंगे उनको प्लस करो, उसके बाद उनको आपस में सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दो. अगर तो वो 0 आ जाएगा, विच मीन्स इट्स डिविजिबल बाय 11, सो द गिवन नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 11. Similarly, if you want to check for 12, as we know 12 is equals to 3 into 4, 3 into 4. So you will check the given number, whatever the number will be given, okay, by 3 and 4. If both rules applied, then that number will be divisible by 12. Now let's have one special case. Now sometimes we have this special type of questions in which we have to find the value of some variable. Here we have to find the value of z. But here one rule is there कि आपको एक कंडीशन गिवन होगी, दैट इज द नंबर मस्ट बी डिविजिबल बाय 3, 9 और वट एवर. इस तरह से आपको कुछ गिवन होगा. सो लेट्स सपोज दिस नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 3. ओके, नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ z. व्हाट इज द रूल फॉर 3? The number to be divisible by 3, the sum of its digits must be divisible by 3. So let's have sum of all its digits, 3 plus 1 plus z plus 5. Now add numerical values. 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9, and we now have 9 plus z. तो हम लोगों को क्या शो करना है, that this number is divisible by 3. Now we know 9 is a multiple of 3. 9 तो 3 से डिवाइड हो ही रहा है. अगर मैं z की वैल्यू को 0 कंसीडर कर लूँ, so what we will have 9 plus 0 which is 9. नंबर 9 से 3 से डिवाइड हो गया. अगेन मैं अगर 9 की वैल्यू 9 ले लूँगी तो वो हो जाएगा 18. 18 भी 3 के टेबल में आ रहा है, तो z की वैल्यू 9 भी हो सकती है और 0 भी. नाउ z हैव टू पॉसिबल वैल्यूज which are 0 and 9. In this way, according to rules, we can find values of variables. तो जब कभी आपको इस तरह का सम गिवन होगा, आप पहले चेक करोगे कि किससे डिविजिबिलिटी चेक करनी है. आप उसी तरह से जो रूल वो कहेगा उसको अप्लाई करके वैल्यूज़ निकाल सकते हो. मोस्टली आपको 3 और 9 के अकॉर्डिंग ही ये सम्स आएंगे. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe it and share it. And don't forget to pin the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.